All right, I'm here with Rick from Phancy Screens. He's going to show me a French door application for a... Go ahead, please tell me about it.
So there's two different models that you can have. This is the higher end model.
Okay.
Where you only have one screen on one side.
Mm-hmm.
And it can go all the way across to 72 inches.
I like the action. It doesn't bind or anything at all.
It's got a zipper top and bottom so the screen doesn't come out of the track. And it stops anywhere you want it to stop.
Okay.
So typically on a French door, there's a passive and a active door.
Mm-hmm.
So you can literally park this in the middle. So you can go out the door, turn around, grab the handle on the other side, and close it without having to go back.
Okay.
And when you don't want to see the screen anymore, you just let it go all the way back.
All right, good. And we can make these up to 8 feet tall or any size, really, right?
These can go up to 10 feet tall.
Oh, wow.
And this model can go up to 6 foot wide.
All right.
I'm sorry, that's wrong. This model can go up to 9 foot wide.
Okay.
Then I have, might as well just go through them all. So now, then I have this product, which is good for single or double door applications. This is a standard retractable screen door. So this has a floating screen top and bottom, and the advantage of that is that when you impact the screen, the screen's going to pop out of the track on purpose.
Okay.
The door is going to release, and it's going to retract on its own.
So it's customer friendly. There's really nothing to do except for just let it close again and monitor what's going on.
And then the next time you retract it, it automatically sets itself back in the track.
All right, nice. Because everybody's got kids and dogs, so
you've got that same application. Let me just flip this around.
Okay.
That we can do as a double system.
Well, you don't have to open that. I get it. It would slide and then meet in the middle, right?
Right. So you have two of them. One comes this way, one comes that way. It meets in the middle. And then there's a... I gotta do it from the back side. There's a latching system that you can pin this door to the center. So you can use that active door as a single. And when you don't want to use the screen anymore, you just release the latch and let that go back. Because
with French doors, unless you're bringing a piece of furniture in, the other door never gets any action.
Correct, usually. And if you don't want to use the pin system, you can just bring them together. They magnetize together, and you can use them, you know, as a double with no pin system.
Okay, so if folks really open it for the biggest... This is great. I have an application that I'd like to propose it for, and I'm going to share it with the customer. And let me ask this. Let's say we want to keep it looking traditional, because it's like a center hall colonial, tons and tons of woodwork. Can I box any of this with woodwork to try and tie it in and to get rid of any of the metal look on the sides?
So you could tie in anything you want after the fact.
Yes.
You just need to make sure whatever you're doing is removable, because if they rip the screen, we have to get it out.
Yeah, we use like trim head screws.
Yep, as long as I can get...
And keep them minimal.
Because screws are top and bottom. Screws are front of the track. So if you cover this...
Maintenance access.
We have to uncover it.
Maintenance access. Okay. But you can like cap it so that it has a wood look also. Okay.
Yep. And these come in various colors. This comes in 9 colors. This comes in 5 colors. It can be custom colored.
Well, these days black is becoming pretty popular, but 90% of the stuff I run into is white.
Residential is going to be white.
It's going to be white. Rick, this is great. I'm going to share this with my customer, and if anybody else sees this video and wants stuff, Rick from Phancy Screens in Mamaroneck, he'd be happy to help you out with it.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you, Rick.
You're welcome.